Kisipai BSF of Meghalaya, kilayo ban kam hadu hispa nyu huingun kirunar, kibeli ik kampam man hakapot tang haus nam arjar arpong. Papentip yakani u Inspector General ki BSF habakran bekilat pathai khubor, hasullong ulai thuru bagi BSF Meghalaya, yor ban kam hadu khadangut ki barri, ki bandrung be an se India, klem kot slag bapiang.
We have made seizures of illegal crossing of goods across the border, about 40 crores. Out of these, the major items are we have seized about more than 10,000 of cattle which are being smuggled from India to Bangladesh, and also other miscellaneous items. Even we have apprehended 202 illegal persons who try to cross the border, including smugglers. They were handed over to the police for further investigations. So you can see that even during this year, we performed our duties with dedication and sincerity. Apart from controlling crimes of the border, during this year our troops did some other activity also to help the civilian population, not only near the border areas, even in the interiors. We distributed free ration to the border population during this pandemic, when the population, civil population, was in the dire need, and there was a lockdown throughout the country. So there were difficulties for them to get the things of day-to-day use. As you must be aware that our troops were also affected with this pandemic, but we controlled it. Today, our positive cases are 0, and also our troops, they donated plasma to help other peoples. We also had a number of meetings with the border guard Bangladesh, like DG level meetings, IG level meetings, and lower level meetings at each level, so that we should have a good relations with the neighboring country. And we also do patrolling around the border with BGB also, so that the crimes are controlled jointly by both the forces at the borders. BSF also remained prepared to maintain law and order duties in the interior areas. Apart from election duties in the state of Bihar, our 4 companies were also deployed in Meghalaya. Still, our 3 companies are deployed to help the civil administration for the normal law and order duties, so that a peaceful environment exists throughout the country. Apart from controlling the border crimes, we are also helping the civil administration by providing our troops to maintain law and order duties and any other duties which our troops are required. We will continue to have good relations with the counterpart, that is the BGB. We have periodical meetings with them, and we will continue to have meetings with them, so that the borders are peaceful. The peaceful borders are very important for the development of the country, and our agenda is that we keep the borders peaceful and crime-free. Another project is of Government of India, and BSF is also helping the civil population and particularly the people living in the border area. That is skill development program for the border population, with the help of the agencies which provide training for skill development. We find out the people who need the training, and they are given the living expenses and given the training, so that they can get some good jobs. So, out of 448 kilometers of the borders of the country of Meghalaya with Bangladesh, almost 70% borders is fenced. other area which are not fenced, the orders has already been given to construction agency, and this construction is under progress, and this will be completed soon. There are few patches where we need some clearance from the Bangladesh government. We have already taken up case with them, and it is in the process, and it is likely to be received the clearance very soon.